Yeah, how's everybody doing today, man? Sheldon Frost here, the Frostman 21. RSI, the most used indicator in trading, and the most misused. 90% of traders read it wrong. RSI doesn't mean overbought equals sell. It doesn't mean oversold equals buy. That's the trap most beginners fall into. Today I'm showing you how I use RSI to find real setups, real entries, real exits, the pro way. First, what RSI actually is. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, created by Wells Wilder, 1978, still the gold standard, 47 years later. RSI measures the speed and magnitude of price changes, 0 to 100 scale, above 70, overbought, below 30, oversold. That's where most traders stop learning, and it's where they start losing, because that's just the surface. Why beginners lose with RSI. Mistake 1. Selling when RSI hits 70. The stock keeps ripping to 100. RSI can stay overbought for weeks. Strong uptrends keep RSI above 70 the whole way up. If you sell every time RSI hits 70, you miss the entire run. Mistake 2. Buying when RSI hits 30. The stock keeps dumping to 0. Oversold can stay oversold. Strong downtrends keep RSI below 30 the whole way down. Catching that falling knife will cut your hand off. How pros actually use RSI. Pro A1. Trend confirmation. In a strong uptrend, RSI should stay above 40. If it breaks below 40, the trend is dying. In a strong downtrend, RSI should stay below 60. If it breaks above 60, the bears are losing control. Trend may reverse. This is called the 40 to 60 rule. Watching the middle, not the extremes. That's where pros get the signal. RSI divergences. Bearish divergence. Price makes a higher high. RSI makes a lower high. The price is rising. The momentum is dying. Top forming. Bullish divergence. Price makes a lower low. RSI makes a higher low. The price is falling, but momentum is improving. Bottom forming. Divergences are the strongest RSI signal, especially on the daily and 4-hour, combined with support resistance. High win rate. RSI on different time frames. 1 minute RSI. For scalping. Noisy. Use it only for quick entries after a clean dip. "15-minute RSI. Day trading workhorse. Use it for setup confirmation. Combined with VWAP. Big edge. Daily RSI. Swing trading. Most accurate for trend strength. Position size with this. Position trades. Weekly RSI. Position trades. Long-term cycles. When weekly hits 30, the bottom is close. My exact RSI setup. Settings. RSI 14. The wilder default. Don't change it. Most pros use the same. Backtest results agree. Add horizontal lines. 40 and 60, not 70 and 30. The 40-60 zone is where decisions get made. Watch 4. RSI crossing above 60 after a pullback. With volume, that's a long entry. High probability. Watch 4. RSI crossing below 40 after a rally. With volume, that's a short entry, or exit longs. Combining with other indicators. RSI plus moving average. 20 EMA on the price. RSI above 60 plus price above 20 EMA. Strong bullish. RSI plus volume. RSI cross above 60. With above average volume. Real institutional move. Take it. RSI plus support resistance. RSI bullish divergence at major support. Almost always works. Highest win rate setup. What to avoid? Don't trade RSI alone. By itself, RSI is just one input. Always combine with price action, volume, or another indicator. Don't shorten RSI to 7 or use weird settings. 60% of pros use 14. Don't try to be clever. Don't expect RSI to call exact tops and bottoms. It catches turns sometimes. Not always. Use it as confirmation, not prediction. Real example, NVIDIA. NVIDIA daily chart. Stock running for months. RSI stayed above 60 the whole time. Pullbacks to 50 held. Then RSI dropped to 40, below the trend support. That was your exit signal. Locked in profit. Trend was breaking. Stock then dropped 15%. If you held, gave back half your gains. RSI told you to leave. You should have listened. Here's the move. RSI done right is one of the best tools in trading. RSI done wrong destroys accounts. The difference is in how you read it. Use 40 and 60 as your decision zones, not 70 and 30. Watch for divergences. Combine with volume and price. That's the framework. Steal it. Use it. Backtest it on your favorite stocks. It works because it follows price, not the other way. RSI done right. Frost out. Position sizing. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Set your stop the moment you enter. This is not financial advice. Educational content only. Do your own research. Trade at your own risk. If you guys like this content, like, follow, subscribe. Throw me something in the comments. I'm here to help you guys. Happy trading. Happy investing. See you Monday at 9:30. Come hang out.